Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom, and today we're talking about cauliflower. Cauliflower may not be the most exciting thing that you want to talk about, but I love cauliflower. You can do a lot with it. You can certainly saute it, and you can grill it, and you can eat it raw, and in dips and all that stuff. So cauliflower has really evolved since I was a kid anyway, when I used to go into the supermarket and just find white cauliflower, and you can still find that. But this is Flamestar, and I used the Johnny's catalog this past spring, got some Flamestar seeds and planted this, and I'm going to show you in a second that I grew it in containers. But one of the things about cauliflower is that there are a lot of different colors now and textures, and some are good early in the spring and some are better in the fall. And some, like the Flamestar, do pretty well in heat trials. So it's a nice cauliflower to have. It's a good cauliflower to try. And especially if you want some of that variety in your garden and on your plate, you definitely want to try some of the ones that have some color to them. Let's take a look. This is Flamestar, and it's a wonderful cauliflower. It's from Johnny Selected Seeds. It's performed well in both, according to them, spring and fall trials, and you can see just how tight the heads are. October 29th, grew it in a container all summer long. Loves sun, evenly moist, and once the cooler weather kicked in, it started to do its little florets here, and we're going to harvest this and have it probably either sauteed. Sometimes I actually grill it, and other times I just take it and break it into small pieces and almost make like a cauliflower rice with it. And if you don't know, the leaves are edible. I saute the leaves as well. So you really get a nice bonus here from this cauliflower plant. Another one here, much smaller. This one, unfortunately, was in the shade, so I think that's why it did that. I had another plant here that was shading it. But we've got this one and, of course, the one I showed you at the beginning of the video. Flamestar, a really nice cauliflower, plenty of other varieties to try, but if you are thinking about adding cauliflower to your growing regime this upcoming spring, summer, or fall, give it a try. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.